In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay using GGives in Lazada. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Lazada on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to your cart. Now on your cart, go ahead and select the items that you want to check out from your cart. So go ahead and click on that checkout button once you have selected the specific items that you want to check out. Now in the payment method section, go ahead and select GCash e-wallet and click on that place order button, and this will pop up on your screen where you'll need to link your Lazada account into your GCash account. So you'll need to enter your mobile number into this section and hit on the next button to proceed with the next step. After that, you'll need to enter the OTP sent by GCash to you to confirm this action. And in this section, you'll need to enter your GCash PIN to proceed. Now, after this, you'll need to authorize the connection between your GCash account and your Lazada account and head back into your Lazada application. Now, once you have linked your Lazada account with your GCash account, make sure to select GCash as your payment method. Now, once you check out your items, you'll get redirected into a page where you'll be able to select how you want to pay GCash on Lazada. Now, if you have GGives enabled for your GCash account, you can simply select GGives and check out that specific item. And that is how you can simply pay using GGives in Lazada. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.